Hi guys, hi YouTubers, happy Halloween. Right guys, let's quickly do a video of a company I've been involved with in the last, in the last 8 or 9 months really. A company called IcoinPro. Very good company. It's a very good training company, good trading crypto company. And it teaches you how to trade online safely, okay? Obviously, within the industry, we do get a lot of third-party companies offering 1 or 2 or 3% a day, but unfortunately, they're in they do scam out eventually. That's the trouble with the crypto industry. We do get a lot of negative people out there, or companies, suckering people in, and all of a sudden disappear. Leaving you home and dry with no money, basically. But anyway, with IcoinPro, it's teaching you the skill set of how to be a crypto trader without getting scammed. You are in completely control with your own funds. It's teaching you a good concept, a good mindset, and it's teaching you a very, very good skill set of learning how to trade safely. Yes, I know, with all cryptocurrency, you can't guarantee that you're going to make money every day, but it's a good mindset and it's a good skill that you learn how to trade and make profits every day. Okay. Meanwhile, it's the company is offering a free boot camp. It's a free platform. Okay, come into IcoinPro, sign on the link below. Okay, you come in, and once you come into the main platform here, you click on this button here, the navigation tab, and it brings you to this page here. And guys, you get free boot camp for over like 35-40 minutes. It teaches you the concept of how to trade online safely and what to look for. Okay, we have brought another little platform out, which is built into IcoinPro, and it is called, if we scroll down here, it is called trading software, and it's a portal. Okay, we quickly click on that link. Let's have a look. It's a trading portal, and what this does, guys, it teaches you how to find the best cryptocurrencies online which are dipping. Okay, so basically we're buying at the dip. Okay, so basically if I click on Trade Finder, this is a portal bolted on to IcoinPro. Totally gold. This is fantastic. So basically it's a platform, and every day, every say 30 minutes or 20, 30, 40 minutes, whatever, it updates. It's constantly updating all the time. So for example, say if I look at Filecoin, JT coin is paired up, AWAX coin, guys, it's got loads of coins here. Say for example, if I wanted this one here, it tells you the volume as well. The more volume you have, the more profit you make. Okay, but it's all in the videos of IcoinPro. You have to watch it, please. But meanwhile, just give you a quick example here. So I click onto here, Filecoin, and I click charts. It comes up to here. All right, I can just see what's going on. I can zoom in. This is all built in, guys. The actual trading portal is built in. It's you do get a platform called Trading View, but they actually bring the information to their own platform, which is very, very good. But this is the chart here. So basically, it's all my settings. It's all preset in a way. Okay. So if I look at this coin, okay, I'm happy with this. But you have to watch the training program, the free bootcamp, to teach you where to get in, where to get out. Yeah, it's all on there, right? But I'm just showing you this portal to give you an idea, and it's teaching you where the dips are, what's happening. Okay, and it's with Binance, it's with Coinbase. It's up to you. And the beauty about this company, if you're in the United States, okay, my advice really is to use a VPN plugin, because I know some countries are restricted with cryptocurrency, but always use a VPN plugin if you're trading online with the exchanges. Okay, but with IcoinPro, you're not going to have that issue because it's all built in. But when you actually trade with these exchanges, because this is giving you an idea, this is giving you a template how to trade, but you have to go to an exchange to trade. Okay, but meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Matt Feast. Any issues, any problems, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. We do have a very, very good forum, all information. We all talk about crypto, what's happening. So you're not left alone, okay? Great platform. But anyway, you're in control of your own funds. That's the beauty about it, yeah? And it's learning how to trade online without getting scammed, okay? Because you are in control of your own funds. Okay, guys, take care and have a great day. And thank you very, very much for watching my video. I will be doing some more videos on IcoinPro, so keep posted. Meanwhile, click on the link below, okay? Watch the free boot camp and enjoy. And any problems, any issues, please reach out to me. And let's get you rigged up and trading and make some return on investment. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Be safe.